Now see here, keeping the voltage of the charging source constant, what would be the percentage change in energy stored in parallel plate capacitor if the separation between its plates were to be decreased by 10%. So now we know actually capacitance C is equal to A epsilon by D and energy is equal to half CV square. So we can write energy is equal to half A epsilon by D into V square. Area of the plate is constant, V is constant, so D has to be changed. So suppose if the D is decreased by 10%, by what percent energy is changing here? So now we can take U dash minus U is equal to half epsilon A epsilon up V square into 1 upon D dash minus 1 upon D. We can write D dash is equal to D minus 10 D upon 100, that is here 0.9 D. So nu D, when the 10% is decreased, that becomes 0.9 D. So now we can replace this thing is here. So we can get U dash minus U is equal to half A epsilon naught V square 1 upon 0.9 D minus 1 upon D. Now we can solve this. So when we solve this one, so we can get here by solving, this is we can take D common. So U dash minus U is equal to half A epsilon naught V square upon D. Here 1 upon 0.9 minus 1, that will become 0.1 upon 0.9. Now here this is equal to initial energy. So we can write U dash minus U upon U multiplied by 100 is equal to 0.1 upon 0.9 into 100. So 100 upon 9, that is here 11.1%. So there is a change in energy by 11.1%.